Welcome to the mid-market update from Advisory Desk. The markets continue to open on a positive note. However, what we are seeing in today being the last day of the financial year, markets are trading narrowly and a consolidation mode in the morning sessions. Sensex at this point in time is trading at 28,070 level, 95 points up or 0.4% at this point in time, while Nifty is trading up 31 points at 8523 levels. What we are seeing the larger action is in mid cap and small cap indices. They are up 0.6% and 1.2% respectively and outperforming the Sensex and the Nifty at this point in time. What we are seeing, the BankX has recovered from day's lows and is trading 0.2% at this point in time, largely led by PSU banks like Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, SBI, and even few private sector banks like Axis Bank and ICICI Bank are supporting the index. As a result, it has recovered from day's low and right now it is trading at 0.2% higher at this point in time. The best performing indices at this point in time is the BSE Oil and Gas Index. This index is up sharply 2% at this point in time, largely led by all marketing companies after IOC's chairman clarified that it would have to bear inventory losses as seen in the third quarter, and it is gaining sufficiently from petrol sales. As a result, the quarter would be profitable. As a result, this stock IOC is up 5% at this point in time. This has also a rub-off effect on other oil marketing companies like HPCL, BPCL, which are up 3% at this point in time. The oil and gas index is also supported by Reliance Industry, which is up 2% at this point in time. Even ONGC is contributing and is up 1% at this point in time. Another index which is outperforming is the BSE Healthcare Index. BSE Healthcare Index, all the major components, 13 out of the 15 components are in green, largely led by companies like Sun Pharma, Strides, Apolab, Lupin, etc. are positively contributing to the index. Only company which are in red in the healthcare index is the Ipca Laboratories and Glaxo, which are marginally down less than a half a percent at this point in time. Another index which is outperforming is the BSE Metal Index, which is up 1% at this point in time, largely led by Nalco, which is up 4% at this point in time. We are also seeing buying interest in Hindustan Zinc, Coal India, NMDC, which are up in the range of 1 to 2% at this point in time and supporting the metal index. The BSE Capital Goods Index and BSE IT Index is trading marginally down at this point in time with losses of around less than half a percent at this point in time. In terms of stock specific action, we are seeing buying interest in Zenotech shares. For this share is locked in upper circuit for second day in a row after Sun Pharma likely to make an open offer for Zenotech shares, as Zenotech is held by Ranbaxy and Sun Pharma is going to Ranbaxy is going to merge with Sun Pharma. As a result, open offer would trigger in Zenotech shares. So because of this share is locked up in upper circuit for second day in a row. Another stock which is locked up in upper circuit is Petron Engineering after it bagged 83 crore order from BPCL. Another stock which is up 13% is ECE Industry after its promoters have increased stake from open market to the tune of 4.1%. As a result, this stock is outperforming and is up 13%. In terms of prominent gainers in Sensex which are positively contributing to Sensex are HUL, ONGC, Sesa, Sterlite, Maruti, Tata Power, Tata Motors, GAIL and Coal India. These are up in the range of 1 to 2% and positively contributing to the Sensex. Now the laggards which are contributing negative to the Sensex are ITC, HDFC Bank, L&T, NTPC and Bajaj Auto. Currency at this point in time is trading at 62.6175 levels and appreciation of 6.25 paise versus the dollar. Friends, that's all from the advisory desk. We'll keep you updates on post-market sessions. Friends, have a wonderful trading session for next financial year.